Are you tired of manually Googling your keywords to see where you rank? Set up automated tracking in Semrush in under 3 minutes. I'll walk you through setting up a position tracking campaign from scratch. First, we'll access the tool, then configure your domain and keywords. Let's start by going to Semrush folders to organize your projects. Press the search logo to open the search menu. Then press Position Tracking from the options. Go ahead and click on Position Tracking to proceed. Next, enter your domain in the field provided. Type a sample domain, like example.com, to see how it works. Now, choose the search engine and device you want to track, for example, Google and desktop. Click on ChatGPT sample if you want to track that, then click on Google sample to select it. Click on Google sample. Choose your location from the drop-down. Type business name. Once that's done, click on Continue to Keywords to move forward. Now add your keywords one by one or paste them in. Double-check the keywords to make sure they're correct. Add a common tag to group-related keywords. Add keywords to campaign once done. Finally, click on Start Tracking to begin monitoring your rankings. That's it. You're all set. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.